What's up, guys? Welcome to the RE Visuals YouTube channel, and today we got some more Pokemon cards for you. We got not just one, but two Elite Trainer boxes from the new Battle Styles set right here. We got both the red and the blue, so we are going to pit these two against each other, make them clash and fight just like the set says, and we're going to see which box ends up being better. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at these two Elite Trainer boxes that we got right here. So as you can see, we got both the red and the blue. Couldn't just get one, you guys. I had to get both of them, okay? You know, don't judge me. But anyway, so we got the Single Strike Urshifu red box right here, and then we got the Rapid Strike Urshifu blue box right there. So yeah, we're just gonna see which one of these boxes gives us better pulls, but also you get a lot more than just the booster packs in here. So let me go ahead and go over that real fast for you guys. You get the 8 booster packs in each box, so we'll end up having a total of 16 today. And then we're gonna go ahead and get 65 card sleeves featuring the Single Strike Urshifu in this box or the Rapid Strike in this box. And then we're gonna get 45 energy cards in each box. We're gonna also get a player's guide, a rule book, 6 damage counter dice, and then we're gonna get a competition legal coin flip die, and then 2 acrylic condition markers, these guys right here. And then of course you get the collector's box to hold everything, and then you also get a code for the online TCG as well that'll be in here for the entire box, so you can do that online as well. So let's go ahead and get into the boxes real quick. I think I'm just gonna start with the red one first. Let's go ahead and open this guy right here, and we'll see what we get inside this box. So let's go ahead and get this guy open right here and make sure we are still in focus. Oh wow, you guys can see right here, it looks like, I think this actually opens, and it does. Yeah, this outer part, you can open this and it actually has art on it. You can actually display this. So check this out. Look at that. There is all of the different arts right there. There is the Single Strike Urshifu, Rapid Strike Urshifu, Mr. Tyranitar right there, and then I believe is that Napoleon, I think his name is. I like the Tyranitar the best anyway, but we'll set that aside right here. So then there's your player's guide. Throws all that different stuff in there, shows you what different cards you have, and you can flip to the back and find all these special cards that you're gonna want. So there you go. That's pretty cool actually too. All right, and ooh, that's actually pretty nice. Here, let me go ahead and zoom that in for you guys real quick. So that's actually pretty nice looking, I gotta say. Look at that nice little shine on there, I like that. And then Battle Styles right there. There he is again. All right, let's open it from the top here. What do we get? Little divider. There's the game rules right there, pretty cool. And then we get, of course, there's those, oh, they are acrylic, actually. That's pretty cool looking. The acrylic condition markers right there. And then here's our die. So that's actually pretty cool as well. And they actually go up to like 120, 130, 170, 180. So like they got the high number since these things do so much damage. It's actually kind of cool that they do that now. So there you go, very cool. And then of course, let's see what we got on this side over here. We have, let's take this little divider out. We got our energy cards. There's that right there. And then here's all of our sleeves. So let me go ahead and show you guys these real quick. Let me pull it out and show you what they look like. So there you go. There is the Single Strike ones. So kind of what they look like right there. And I've seen these already in other videos. They have this different front to them, and it looks like they're actually like more opaque than it clear. So they kind of put a little bit of like a, I don't know what, it looks more hazy over top of the card. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of that. Either way, they're really cool looking sleeves for your cards, but I think it would have been cooler if they would have just put the usual clear front on there, because you can't really see, like if you have a really special card or something like that, it's kind of hard to see it. But anyway, so then of course you get your online TCG code, which I'm going to keep for myself, and then you got these little dividers right here, and you can put that in the box and divide up all your different cards as you see fit. And then of course we have our 8 packs right here. So that's, I mean, come on guys, that's what you're really here for, right? Oh, and real quick before we get started with the packs, I wanted to show you guys from our last video, if you guys saw this, the binder, we're doing really well. So we got a few missing cards right here, you know, we got a couple here and there that we're missing and whatnot. So I'm really hoping that in this opening here, we're able to find some of our missing cards here to complete the set. Also guys, here's that really awesome Urshifu VMAX that I got last time, that art. That is super special that I didn't even realize was worth like $130 like right off the bat. So again, we got super lucky last booster box, so I don't expect to get that lucky this time, but hopefully we'll get something out of the packs here. So let me go ahead and zoom us way in. There we go. And let me go ahead and put these 8 packs here. So let's start with the single strike, red box, and see what we get here. So here we go. We got a Metal Energy, Escape Rope, Tower of Waters, Luxio, Mankey, Mawile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Spearow. We got the reverse Entei. Again, I think I already have one of these, so that's 2 of those now that I have. And we got a Licky rare. So let me go ahead and put those over here. All right, next pack up. So here we go. We got another energy card here. We got Swordward and Shieldbert. We got a Fearow, Carnivine, Blipbug, Silly Cobra. That's silly little Cobra. Houndour, Lickitung. We got a Horsey. And we got another reverse Cubone with his mom's head on him. And we got a Conkeldurr. So I believe maybe Licky was one that I didn't have yet. But so far, I'm pretty sure I have not got a card that I do not have in the set yet. So, you know, hopefully we'll get something that we don't have. That's what I'm hoping for. So, Water Energy, Bisharp. We got a Single Strike Energy, Camping Gear, Cherubi, Mindfu. That's Silly Cobra again, Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, and we got a reverse Fearow. That's a pretty cool looking card. And we got a Boltund, just a regular rare. All right, let's go ahead and keep moving here. Guys, we're just gonna run through these, all right? Because we have another box to do anyway, so just gonna keep this going as quickly as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back, and we flip. Psychic Energy, Swordward and Shieldbert again, Crawdont, Doublade. I don't know if I have that one actually. That might be a new one. Spoink, Mr. Mime, Scatterbug, Yamper, Lickitung. Okay, we got a reverse Weepinbell, and we got a Marowak, regular rare. Again, I don't know if I have this one either. I might have it already, but again, we'll check on that and see if I have that in the set at the end of the video. Okay, so we got a Metal Energy, Carnivine again, Swordward and Shieldbert again, Bisharp again, Esper, Shinx, Blipbug, a Pawniard, Mankey. Ooh, a Bouffalant. I don't think I have that card actually, not even in a reverse especially. And then we got a Drampa. So the reason I'm actually very excited about this is because I do not have this card. So this is great for the set, and the cut actually looks okay. It's a little bit off on this side, but that's fine. It actually doesn't look terrible, so that one will go right into the binder and help complete my set. All right, Energy, Water Energy, Luxio, Weepinbell, Indeedee, Baltoy, Timber, Corphish, Cacnea, Mawile. Ooh, we got a little Slizzly-Pete little guy reverse, and we got another Cricketune V. So I already pulled this card in our last opening, so now we got 2 of them. Nice. It's still okay. I mean, I would love to have gotten one that we don't have, but there we go. We got a cool card right there. We got 2 packs left in this box, and so far we've gotten pretty much skunked in all the packs except for the last one. So I'm hoping maybe we can pull something a little bit, you know, nice in the last couple packs, but we'll see here. All right, so we got Fire Energy. We got Rapid Strike, Colonel Mustard. We got Morpeko, Doublade, Honedge, Electabuzz, Baltoy, Gligar, Salandit, Coriolis Focus reverse. That's kind of cool. I got the full art last time. And, ooh, a Lurantis. Another one, guys, that I do not have. So that is going right in the binder. So that's awesome. That's 2 cards already that I definitely was looking for that I did not have for the binder. All right, Psychic Energy, Girder, Cacturn, Level Ball, Cacnea, Spoink, Roly-Coly, Frillish, Esper, ooh, Stonejourner rare, reverse, and a Flapple V. All right, so you know what? That's actually kind of cool because I do not have the Flapple V. I have the V Max, and I actually need the Flapple V for the set. The cut looks very nice on this card. I'm happy with that because, again, I needed it for the binder. So guys, really all we got out of that as far as, you know, rare pulls, these 2 cards right there. So we gotta use these 2 cards. I'm gonna keep those up here in the corner. I'll put those over here. Actually, we're gonna put these against what we're about to open in the blue box. So let's go ahead and open the blue box real quick.
RA Visuals merch is finally here, fam. We have partnered up with streamerwear.com to bring you some really awesome and high quality threads with your favorite RA Visuals logo on them. We have hats, shirts, pullovers, hoodies, heck, we even have coasters for your coffee mug if you want. I've also included an alternate logo version that you can get every item in as well, so be sure to check that out. Of course, everything you grab supports the channel and helps me keep making more content for you guys to enjoy. So head over to streamerwear.com and check out my collection using the merch link in the description and cop some fresh new gear to show off to your friends.
So let's go ahead and open this guy and see if we can beat, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. We only got these 2 cards right here, guys. We should be able to beat those, I think, you know? Shouldn't be too difficult to beat just 2 V cards. Okay, guys, so we got the 8 packs out right here, and let's go ahead and see if we can beat these 2 cards here. This is all we have to beat. That's it. 2 V cards. And we start with a Psychic Energy. We got a Heatmore, Tower of Darkness, regular Karina's Focus, Cherubi, Mindfu, Silly Cobra, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, another reverse Slizzlepede little boy, and a holographic Cherim. I don't think I have this card either. So this one is going right in the binder as well. So that's actually really cool. I'm excited about that too. Let's start her off here with a Water Energy, Cacturn, Rapid Style, Colonel Mustard, Cheryl, Mawile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Spearow, Pachirisu, a reverse Shinx, and another Licky. There we go. There's another one of those. So far, the single strike is still winning. And we got a Dark Energy, single strike energy, Luxio, Durant, Pachirisu, Chimecho, Honedge, get that off there, little whatever, Horsey, Mankey, a reverse Pawniard, and ooh, another card that I needed. We have a holographic Emboar. So there's another one for the binder, you guys. Look at that. That is awesome. Very nice little holographic card right there. And again, I needed it for the binder, so that's very cool. I feel like I'm just getting lucky and getting the cards that I need for the binder this time. So you know what? If we don't get anything super rare like we did in the booster box, totally cool with it because we are picking up cards that I needed for the collection. Leaf Energy, Carnivine, Swordword and Shieldbird again, Bisharp, Slizzlepede little boy, Baltoy, Timber, Corphish, Cacnea. Ooh, we got a reverse Electabuzz and a regular Victory Bell. We have a million of these, so don't need that one for the collection. So that was a bust of a pack. All right, a Lightning Energy, Girder, Cacturn, Level Ball, Zubat, Remoraid, Onix, Mawile, Cherubi, EXP Share Reverse, and a Jellicent. And unfortunately, we did get one of these in the last opening, so we do not need this for the collection, so that is a duplicate as well. 3 packs left to pull something out of this box, because so far, all we've gotten is 2 regular holographics out of this. So guys, everyone's saying that the pulls in this set, how they're hard, I guess. I'm seeing it now with this. All right, so Fighting Energy, Phoebe, Honchkrow, Bruxish, Shinx, Esper, Blipbug, Pawniard, Mankey, a reverse Bronzong, and I needed this one as well for the collection, so that is sick, and a Conkeldurr. I have that, but I did need this card for the collection. I do not have a Bronzong, so that's nice. We'll put that in the new pile as well. Got this pack, and we got one more left after this one if we don't get anything out of here. So we got a Psychic Energy, Cheryl, Bisharp, Weepinbell, Timber, Galarian Slowpoke, Crowfish, Slandit, Roly-Coly, Baltoy, and another Drampa. So now we got 2 of them. There we go. So they wanted to make sure that I got this card, I guess, because I didn't have it before. All right, everybody, last pack. Let's see if we can pull some last pack magic from these ETBs right here. All right, we got a Metal Energy. We got a Pignite, a Rapid Strike, Scroll of Swirls, Bouffalant, Baltoy, Timber, Corphish, Cacnea, Mawile, and we got a reverse Primeape. I needed that card too because I don't have it. And our last pull of the opening, we got a single strike energy gold secret rare. Woo! There we go, little shiny boy right there. Very nice. They made us wait for it, guys, but my God, is that not beautiful? Very nice. I do not have a single one of the gold cards yet, and that is my first one. Who do you guys think won? I think we got our winner right here. I'm pretty sure we got the Single Strike Energy Gold card out of the Rapid Strike box, which is kind of funny. But for me, I think the blue box won because, yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and put our cards in our binder real quick and see how many we got that we did not have previously. Alright guys, so taking a look at the binder after we got them all in here, the ones that we needed actually. So let's go ahead and see what ones we were able to fill in. So we got the rare holographic Cherim finally, so we can go ahead and throw that in the binder. So we're actually able to complete this whole page, which is awesome. I love that. Then onto this back page here, we were able to get ourselves this guy right here, the Lurantis right there. So that's a regular rare, wasn't anything special, but we were able to fill that slot. And then of course there is our Flapple V as well. We were able to fill that slot. Sorry about the glare there. There you go. We got the Flapple V and the Lurantis. We're just missing one card right here behind Blipbug for that page. But moving on over here, we then also were able to get ourselves an Emboar regular holographic rare, so we were able to fill that slot right there. The Tapeg, Pignite, and Emboar evolution line is complete now, so that's awesome. And then let's see, let's move on. We did not get any more rare water Pokemon, unfortunately. I was looking for that Octillery, but did not get that. And then moving right along, we didn't get the Tapu Koko VMAX, which would complete that right there. And then I don't believe I got any actually Psychic Pokemon either. Nope, none of those today. I think we only need one more actually to complete that set. And then moving on to our fighting Pokemon, we got our Primate reverse rare, which actually completes this page, which is really nice. And then moving on over here, I think we just need the, what is the next one after Carkol? There's one more that goes there, whatever that evolution is, I forget what it's called, but anyway, that'll finish that off. And then moving back over here, we got a couple different cards to switch out. Like I got a different Stonejourner that's now a reverse rare instead of the regular. And then moving on to the back here, we were able to get, that's right, we got a Bronzong to finish out this page. So there is another page done right there. So very cool. We got both of these pages good to go. That's awesome. I love seeing these get completed. I also got, yeah, so I got a reverse of the Fearow right there. And then we were able to get on this page, we got a reverse Bouffalant, which was nice, to replace the regular. And then we got a regular rare Drampa. Did not get a reverse or any holographic of that, but we still got that in that slot, and I believe we're just missing one card right there. And then as far as the trainers, we got them all. I got a couple extra reverses this time around to replace regular rares and whatever else it was. And then we got all those completed. And then, of course, moving on to the very back page, we got our special cards, which today we got that Single Strike Gold Energy right there, which I didn't put these in any particular order, and that is just because, you know, only got 3 of them from the 2 openings that we did. So, yeah, we got that special Urshifu VMAX, we got the Kratos Focus Full Art, and we got the Single Strike Energy Gold Shiny. So, there you have it, you guys. That is the 2 ETBs from Battle Styles right here, the red and the blue. Put your comments down below. Who won? Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys buy these? Did you guys already buy these? And what did you guys get out of these ETBs? I would love to hear about it. And if you guys like these unboxings right here and you guys want to see more Pokemon card stuff, make sure you give the video a like. And if you want to see more of this content and all the other content I do on my channel, because I do a lot of it, make sure you guys get subscribed with those notifications on so you don't miss any more future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time.